Hi, all right, we are going to look at how to explore, check out the filtered results of the district from our mock election. So to start, once you're on this slide, you can click the elementary, middle school, or high school level, and this link is going to ask you to make a copy. This is something that you could share with all of your students if you want to give them from that slide those links so they can make their own copy and filter the responses, or you could just project and share with the class and look at some different options. So here, once I've taken the middle school copy, I have access now to all of the middle school data that we collected from the responses. So to start here, I can see Campus Middle School. If I click inside of that box, and it could be anywhere inside of this box, you'll see that this report editor appears on the far right side. And this is where we're able to do all of our filtering. So I'm just going to X out on some of these different components here, and you'll see that now there's really nothing there for campus. So I need to tell it what it is that I want to look at. So as far as the rows, we're going to add a field. And in this case, you're going to probably not want to do grade level, but instead you can look at everything below that. So let's say we wanted to look at Campus Middle School's presidential piece. That's our row, and you can see that now auto-filtered. Our columns, and this is probably going to be across the board, you're always going to want to do grade level. So now we're going to see 6th through 8th up on the top. When we scroll down, this is the piece that's really important. When we add the values, this is now the data, the numbers, we need that to match whatever our row was. So in this case, we're going to go back to president. And it's just zeros right now because it says it's summarized by sum. And we need to change that for everything when we filter. We need to change it to count A. And once you say count A, you're able to pull in that data. And so you can do it with every single school. So if you want to scroll down and find your school, you'll be able to do that. The other piece that's really neat that we have made available to you is the option to filter by grade level. And we also wanted to include a chart for you as well that you could share with students. And so when you slide over to the right a little bit, you'll see that's now an option. So in this spot, we're looking at all middle school students by grade level. So now if we go back into our fields, I'm just going to get rid of some options here. So let's say by grade level, I want to look at how our district voted when it comes to senator. So now I can see those come in. But let's say I still want to see those columns by grade levels to add the 6th, 7th, 8th. You'll notice that this pie chart on the bottom is in real time changing what those results are or how I'm seeing that. If you're seeing just zeros, know that you're just needing to change the value to count A so that it's going to filter through. The other thing is if you're wanting to, you can filter by different grade levels. So instead of having all grade levels, if you're wanting to show maybe just 8th grade, like what did we see as far as 8th grade across the district, then we're going to see those numbers change and the pie chart will also change for that. So I hope you and your students enjoy looking at some of the filtered responses across the district. Have a great day.